Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by connecting the live source. Make sure you have the endpoint URL and access credentials ready. Open Excel and choose Data Get Data, then pick the correct connector, OData, Web, SQL. Once done, preview the query and remove unnecessary columns to speed refreshes. Make sure credentials are saved and privacy levels set so automatic refreshes function. This step reduces errors later and ensures your workbook can pull updates without repeated manual sign-in interruptions. Now transform the incoming stream using Power Query. Filter rows, change data types, and combine tables if needed to shape the data for analysis. Once transformations look correct, close and load to a worksheet or the data model depending on your workbook needs. Make sure to enable load to the data model when using measures or large datasets. After loading, test a manual refresh to confirm steps execute without errors, and that calculated columns and measures update as expected. Finish by configuring refresh behavior. Go to Query Properties and choose Background Refresh, refresh every X minutes, or refresh on file open. If using on-prem sources, install and configure the on-premises data gateway and map credentials. Test a scheduled or manual refresh and watch for errors in refresh history. If refresh fails, check gateway status, credential expiry, and privacy levels, then rerun the query with diagnostics enabled. Once stable, your workbook will keep showing live data with predictable updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.